Hello guys, today we are making pipe cleaner leaf rubs. So I've made a few and then I can show you how to make them. So I did the maple, so I did the fold it in half and then I bent it and then bent it again, kind of like when you're making a star, but the bottom bits of the leaf are going to be a lot smaller like a maple leaf. Like that. It's not as great as the other one, so I'm totally going to use the other one for our leaf rubbing. If it doesn't work out very well like this one is not, you can reposition it. Just reconfigure its leaves a bit by bending the wire. Okay. This one looks a little better. Get rid of that one. And then I'm going to call this the Aspen Leaf. That's what it reminds me of. Alright. So, I bent it about a third of the way down. See, 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. That's what that meant, in case you're wondering. Which you might be, since this is preschool art. Alright. Sorry I'm quiet and not as energetic. My back is not well today, so I just don't feel very great. Alright. There we go. That's much, much prettier. And then I leave a little bit of a tail at the end for the stem of the leaf, and then to make it look more like a leaf instead of just an oval or something, I put the vein up the middle. And then you've got yourself a little leaf. And if it doesn't stay very well, you can always twist it. Be careful because of sharp ends. The sharp ends can really get you. So these are called pipe cleaners or Chanel stems. Either one, same thing. It's going to work great. So then you take your piece of paper, just copy paper, whatever paper you have at home. Just not very thick because then you can't do the leaf rubs as easily. So then you take your Alright, this is going to be a weird angle, but here we go. And you just start rubbing on it. Ooh. Awesome. So then let's do a different one of the same leaf shape. Where did it go? Oh, it moves on you sometimes too, so you have to go find it again. Oh yeah. My cat's trying to say hi again. Hi, Jazzy boy. Alright, we are going to do a maple leaf, even though it's... Oh yeah, this is the better one. So then I just go here. I'm using fallish colors, like the browns, and blue's not the most fall color, but blue's my favorite color, so I'm going to add that anyway. You keep going. Like I said, you just find the end of the Chanel stem or pipe cleaner, and then you just kind of rub around it. I'm not entirely sure what's going on with this one. Okay. If you don't know what's happening because you can't figure out the edge, you can always lift under and see why you're not grabbing the edge of it. I was a little off and the pipe cleaner was sticking up a little bit. Alright. Should we do another maple leaf? I think so. And then you can just do a whole bunch of them and make a collage of leaves. Oops. Well, whatever, I already went with that, so I'm going with that. This was supposed to be a green, but it ended up kind of a blue. Which again is fine, because blue is my favorite color. And this is my art. You're going to make your own art, and it can be any color you want. That's the wonderful part about art. It's all what you want to do with it. And that's better. So if you keep doing that, you'll just have a lot of leaf shapes, and then you can have a collage, which is like a combination of things into one picture. So you can make that, or you can just do one, a few. You can even make cards for fall for people. Just like fold the paper in half and the leaf rub one side of it, and then write a note on the inside for someone. Cheer them up, make their day, whatever. Alright, well, that is my leaf rubbing crayon tutorial. So I hope you like it and have a good day. Thank you.